Hi friends, it's Morabella. I hope you had a wonderful Shavu oat. And now I'm back outside in my backyard to do a very fun sensory activity with you. Do you remember a few weeks ago we made moon sand and we used flour and oil and then we got to build all sorts of things. So now it got to be summer, but I was thinking that I want to make some snow to play with. Do you miss getting to play in the snow? Well, today we're going to make some snow with some baking soda and some shaving cream, just like we used last week. So let me start by scooping out some 3 or 4 cups of baking soda, but you can do however much you have. Baking soda is white and powdery. This one is a clump, and it's kind of like flour. I have a lot of clumps in mine, so I'm going to There's some of my baking soda. I'm going to put a little bit more so I can have some more snow to play with. And another scoop. Let me get it. Another scoop of baking soda. I can pour it into my pan. And another cup. Let me get number 3. Cup number 3. Here's my cup of baking soda. Oh, and I have a very big clump of baking soda in mine. 1 minute, let me break it up into powder. Now I have 3 cups of baking soda in my pan. I think I'm going to make that to leave it at that and not use any more. Maybe I'll add some more after I add the shaving cream. Now that I have my baking soda, I'm going to use my shaving cream and mix it in to give it a soft feeling. So I'm going to shake my bottle of shaving cream and spray some into my pan. Do you see how it makes those funny shapes inside? And now I'm going to take my hands and mix it in. Mix, mix, mix. And I didn't use a specific amount, so I'm going to mix it, and maybe I'll add more shaving cream or baking soda if I want to make my snow feel a little bit different. And I'm mixing it, and it's almost all mixed up. Do you see my hands are a little bit messy? I could use a spoon if I want. That's easier to use to mix. But I decided to use my hands. Would you like to see my snow? I have some, does it look white? And I can make it snow from the sky. And oh, it's a little bit too crumbly. Maybe I can add a little bit more shaving cream. Are you ready? Do you see, now it's on my hand, and I can mix it in to my baking soda. Mix, mix, mix. And it's crumbly and soft like real snow. All right, now my snow feels pretty ready for me to play with. So I can take it and I can squeeze it and sprinkle it, and I think I might want to make a snow castle. So I can take my cup and I can push the snow into my cup. And let's see what it looks like when it comes out. Now I have a snow castle, and I can put it into my pan. And I think I want to make another one. So I can put some more into my pan, into my cup, and I can pour it out. This one cracked a little bit, so I can make it snow from the sky. And it's kind of funny because it's the summer now. It's the spring and the summer, and I'm still playing with my snow. Here's a snowball that you can see. And I can keep playing with my snow. And while I play with my snow, I think I'm going to sing a song. Can you sing Hashem is here with me? I can sing Hashem is here, Hashem is there, Hashem is truly everywhere. Hashem is here, Hashem is there, Hashem is truly everywhere. Up, up, down, down, right, left, and all around here, there, and everywhere. That's where Hashem is found. Up, up, down, down, right, left, and all around here, there, and everywhere. That's where Hashem is found. And I really enjoyed playing with my snow, and you can make some at home with just 2 ingredients, baking soda and shaving cream. And you can maybe get a very big bin, and you can use a spoon to scoop it, or a shovel or a cup to scoop it. And see, I have so much beautiful snow and a snow, oh, my snow castle got a little bit crumbled, but you can make a snow castle like I made. And now I want to show you something very interesting if I put something else into my snow. Are you ready? Now I moved my camera so you can see my pan of snow. You can see me crumble it with my hands or scoop it with my spoon. You can't see my face, but that's okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to make my snow fizz up. This is called vinegar. And I'm going to pour my vinegar onto my snow and see what happens. It's going to get fizzy and bubbly. This is going to be the end of my snow though, so if you want to keep playing with your snow, you should only do this on some of it. Are you ready for me to pour? 1, 2, 3, go! Up! Do you see my snow getting so fizzy and bubbly? Wow! And I can use my spoon and feel how it's so bubbly, or I can use my fingers and poke the bubbles. Fizzy snow! Hooray! All right, friends, now I have my fizzy snow that I added my vinegar to my snow and made it so bubbly. That was such a fun activity. Thank you, friends. I hope you get the chance to do this at your home with baking soda and shaving cream. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow.